Hey planner babes, it's Mandy from Create with Mandy, and today I'm flipping through Fancy Florals. This is a teacher book, sticker book, from the new Happy Planner Back to School collection that is launching Friday, April 23rd at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'll have all the information for this, including links, down below in the description box. And I'm also going to have the flip throughs of the other sticker books I got as well, because we all love stickers. And yeah, I think that's everything. So let's go ahead and flip through. So this one's called Fancy Florals. It's very similar to Sophisticated Florals. So I think if you loved that sticker book, you will definitely love this one. So this is also like sized for a teacher planner. So the boxes are a little bit bigger than what we're like used to, I guess, but there's definitely, I mean, you can definitely make it work in your planner, and I love doing that. And if you follow along, I will definitely be using these in a way that in my classic planner and showing you how you can use them, even if you don't have the planner of the size that they're meant for. So again, here's some more stickers that are, you can tell they're sized for the big. They're pretty, they're wide. They would definitely go longer than like 2 boxes wide, but they're perfect for layering that way. Some pretty florals in there. Love the colors, so soft and just really pretty. Some little like tiny headers: to do, love, appointment, read, this, and errands. Also, this color palette is just so pretty, and the gold foil goes nicely. It's definitely like a different color palette too, because the yellow is like a fun pop, and then the pink, the light gray, and then I think this is either a dark gray or like a navy blue, but I love it either way. Here's some gold foil flowers on clear paper, super cute. And here's some without the foil, just in the colors. They're really pretty and like dainty. Some gold foil leaves. These are fun too. Can never have enough. And so this one, you can tell it has so many like decorative stickers. So I love that about a sticker book. Okay, these say, find your happy, so very busy, teaching is my jam, one of a kind. So these are really great. You don't have to be a teacher except maybe this one column here, but that's still a lot that you could use without being a teacher. So far we've had a lot of non-teacher specific stickers. Maybe this one, you know, and love this class, but everything else is really good so far. Some really pretty florals with like a colored background, and it's on clear paper, so they'll be kind of translucent. So those are really fun. This is nice. Today's priorities: list 3 things you'd like to accomplish today. Super versatile. Anyone can use that kind of sticker. So you get 2 pages of those. And then we do have a little bit more of a teacher-centered one. This week's lessons, and then plan it out, and then list the lessons you'd like to implement below. Still great. You can easily cover that up if you're not a teacher. Same with up there. Or you could use it in like a literal life sense, like this week's lessons, like life lessons. Hey, so many different ways you could use stickers. 2 pages of those. And I love these little bullet points at the bottom. And then these are fun. So they're just like different little prompts. Today was to read, favorite thing, this made me smile, to do, today was to read, and so on. You get those in all the different colors. And then just some nice basic boxes. We love these, and the pretty gold foil. And then of course we get them without the foil too, so that's amazing. I love this size, and I like that you get all the colors. Some quotes, which again, they don't look very like teachery, so don't have to be a teacher for this sticker book. Some more flowers with that gold foil, so pretty. And a page without the foil. We love decorative stickers. Some nice boxes, totally, you know, general, you know, not very teacher specific, so love that. And some with flowers. Some longer boxes. I really like this book. It's great. Some more of them. And then, so these are really fun. They're just little headers. Focus, track, assignments. So that's maybe one teacher-specific one. Details, victories, goals, progress. So all the rest are really, you know, general. So love those. They have just like a little swipe of color under them. Cute. Then some like prompted stickers. What methods have succeeded? Where can I make improvements? Super general. Some more of those in different colors. And some habit trackers, which they just have 5 dots. So that is kind of teacher specific to like, you know, Monday through Friday, but hey, that can still work for all the rest of us too. Maybe something like getting up on time. Maybe we just want to track that Monday through Friday. So there you go. That is the Fancy Florals sticker book from the back to school line. I'll have it linked below and all the details and all that. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.